Hello everyone. We'll move on to the first topic in investment services options within a scheme. Options within a scheme. Option here means how the returns are going to be submitted with investors. Most of the schemes offer here two type of options. One is dividend option and growth option. Once for all, investment is over. At the time of application submission state itself or following, investor may claim it option on this what is called return. How am I going to get my return? By way of dividend option and growth option. Some of the scheme it is mandatory. Some of the scheme it is option to the investor. So this entire discussion is based on that. What is there the return and how this return is going to be enjoyed by investor, which is offered by scheme. One is dividend, another one is the growth option. I think already we have discussed about this, what is meant by dividend option, what is the growth option in the previous slides. Dividend is payout and growth option, the money is not going to be declared as a dividend. Whatever the money is enjoyed, it will be kept in there the investment for over and above the year. Once the investor wants to be repurchased, he can repurchase it. That is called growth option. In dividend option itself, there will be a two type of options are provided. That is a subsection or sub options are given. One is dividend payout, another one is the dividend reinvestment. This is also discussed. Dividend payout, yes, the amount is credited in the account of investor immediately after the declaration of dividend. Whereas dividend reinvestment, amount is declared but the amount is not going to credited in the account of investor. Instead of that money again invested in the same fund or maybe in another fund. That is called as the dividend reinvestment. All the times the options are this dividend option, that means options for providing return is always given with a single scheme portfolio. So definitely because of this particular nature, the portfolio performance is same for all the option, whether the dividend or the growth option. And the difference in the treatment of dividend and the related taxation and therefore their NAV, everything will be common as like it in there the discussion what we have made in there the previous classes. That means once the dividend is declared and the dividend tax is attracted, then it will be definitely affecting the NAV, net assets value. So that is called the XNAV of the particular dividend. So whatever the dividend is declared and whatever the tax is paid against that particular dividend, it will affect the NAV. NAV rate will be decreased. That is called XNAV, dividend NAV. Right. How it is going to be charged? So that is there a parameter, a simple parameter, and a table is explained. So dividend received in bank account of investor, dividend distribution tax, increase in number of units, and NAV changes. So this will be described you how the options are charged within the scheme. I hope this is giving enlighten you regarding about options regarding return on the investments. Thank you.